Hey guys, this is Carl from Lingo. Now we're really excited because we finally got our hands on the long-awaited Google Pixel 4a. Now it's the successor to the Pixel 3a, which was released back on 7th of May 2019, last year. For those of you who are new to the Google Pixel lineup, the A series at the back stands for the more affordable or budget-friendly variant of the Google Pixel. The Pixel 4a features a 5.8-inch OLED display with a hole-punch design for the front-facing camera at the top left-hand corner. There are also some pretty cute wallpapers that are not afraid to hide this hole-punch design, and it looks really good. Now this is the most bezel-less design I've seen on any Pixel phone, and it looks really gorgeous. At the back of the device, it's also a matte finish that feels quite secure in the hands. So what's new in the Pixel 4a? Now for comparison, back then the Pixel 3a was going for about 649 Singapore dollars, and it only had 64GB of storage space and 4GB of RAM. So not only did Google increase the storage space on the Pixel 4a, they also brought the price down much lower right now. So for the Pixel 4a, you're getting about 128GB of storage space and 6GB of RAM, and it's going for a much more affordable price of just $499 without any contract. And one thing to note is that there is no larger Pixel 4a XL as compared to the previous 3a, which had an XL model. The Pixel 4a is only going to be available in just one color, and that is just black, which is the one that you see here in this video. And thankfully, it still retains the headphone jack and fingerprint sensor, which I think is really great, but there is no face unlock on the Pixel 4a. Now in conclusion, pre-orders for the Pixel 4a have already started here in Singapore from 4th of August when this video is up. It's going for again at 499 Singapore dollars and will be available starting 10 September 2020. Now you can purchase it through the Google Online Store, Amazon Singapore, Quartz, and even Challenger. With that, we hope you've enjoyed our short first looks at the Pixel 4a. Do stay tuned for our full review here on Lingo after we spend a bit more time with the Pixel 4a, especially with the camera, to find out how well it performs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified of our future videos. This is Kyle signing off.